FL Studio plugins receive information from internal controllers, but they don't always are able to learn MIDI CC signals. FL Studio doesn't offer anything that can translate from MIDI CC to internal controller, so we cannot use as much as we could tools like Stepic that can generate MIDI CC information. Now, Dominik Starke created a plugin to solve this problem. The links are in the description. Now, how can we use this plugin? There's two ways. The plugin has two versions, one to be used from the mixer, one to be used from inside Patcher. What we have to do, let's say that we have Stepic and we have transistor bus. We configure Stepic to send information through port 0, and let's send some information, some MIDI information, say in 16th. Alright, go to automation, enable the first channel. Let's take middle values, random MIDI values, and then select the second channel of CC. Right, so now if I play, I can see how information is sent to transistor bus, but how can I make cutoff learn from MIDI CC or react to that MIDI CC information? Nothing in transistor bus. What we can do is activate this so we can see the control here, and then we have to add the plugin by Starke. This plugin is VFX Midi CC. We connect to the MIDI output of Stepic, and initially we don't have an output here, but it detects the information as soon as it gets it. So now I have an output controller, I have MIDI CC2, channel 0 because it's the channel where Stepic is writing. And now we see that the cutoff is constantly moving. This is because Stepic, by default, the automation lane has the same speed that it has the sequence. But let's change to a whole. So now each whole sequence, it changes the modulation step. So here's how we can send MIDI CC information from inside Patcher to one of the plugins in FL Studio. Now, what if we want to use this information from, let's say, Stepic, but not within Patcher? Well, we have this instance of Stepic. We are sending information again through port 0. We're going to make this automation. And let's set to whole node, right? And random values. Now, first of all, one of the problems we still have is that we cannot send the note information, the pitch information, or any other actually generated by Stepic, like the octave, the note repeat, divider, swing, velocity, duration. We cannot set that information to a plugin, an internal plugin. But still, we can send the MIDI CC information. Now, how can we do that? We have to go to the mixer, we have to send Stepic to one mixer channel, let's say this one, and we are going to add the mixer version of the plugin, VFX Midi CC. Now, when we send information and we open transistor bus, we can use link to controller, and then we can see here how we have this controller, VFX Midi CC. So we can select this, and now we can see how our cutoff is going to be changed. Now we could do whatever we want with this. Let's say we just want to add the sequencer. And we are getting the MIDI CC information from Stepic. There's another thing we can do here. We have this configuration for VFX Midi CC. We have the same configuration in Patcher. If we send information now, we are moving the cutoff with the information that Stepic publishes, because VFX Midi CC sends everything. Now, what if we restrict to only what's happening in port 2? Stepic is publishing in port 0, so now we don't have movement. If we go back to 0, we get back our modulation. If we had a tool or a plugin, like there are other plugins that can generate MIDI information in different channels, Stepic uses the MIDI channel 1. We could use this to change the channel it sends the information with. I hope this was some help to extend the reach of the work by Dominik Starke. I hope it's useful for you, so see you in the next one.